You've never swiped on Bumble or Tinder for the heck of it?
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Wow, I suddenly feel like we're going super fast into Vlogmas. Anyways, today's video is really special because I have been making videos for almost 5 years, but I've never ever done a collab on my channel. So finally we are here today doing my first collab with none other than Sara!
Hi! What's up?
What is up? I'm so happy that you're literally the first one that I'm collabing on my channel.
Yes! Hi everyone from Meghna's channel. I create beauty and lifestyle content. I'm also a final year occupational therapy student. And that's about it. I might be an intern by the time this video goes up.
Oh
This is my
wow, that is awesome.
black and white life.
So in today's video, I will be following Sara's routine, and in her video, which will be up on her channel, make sure you watch it after this video, and on that video, Sara will be following my routine. Yes, so Sara, I am ready.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. 7 AM you wake up. Black coffee, ठीक है. Workout सुबह. Oh, I hate working out in the morning. No. Sleep. What?
मुझे नाश्ता करके बहुत अच्छी नींद आती है, बहुत अच्छी नींद आती है. तो वो एक घंटा भी Instagram is like for me to like get into that days of sleeping and like just make ideas that it looks like I'm working, but I'm actually just preparing to sleep.
I
Dude,
told
you're
you.
kidding me. This is so weird for me. Sara, you know what happens when I sleep in the middle of the day? I get the worst headaches.
Now that is for you to deal with.
यार
Not my
यार
headache.
कैसी इंसान है. तो उठते ही you're having lunch.
Yeah, उठते के साथ वापस खाना खाने का.
She'll take fudge for a walk. So since I don't have a fudge or a dog
You can
actually,
play with Nala.
I will play with my cat Nala.
Yes. You have to breathe. This is your time to recharge because इसके बाद भी बहुत दिन बचा है.
Please tell me it's unwinding. How is edit work
Yeah.
unwinding?
मुझे 1 बजे तक नींद नहीं आती है. So then I try to get more
हाँ.
edits done. Maybe even on your
Correct,
phone if
correct.
you are editing some reels. Just create content. Like throughout the day I try to like distribute creating content.
After that is it? Wait, what is this, dude? No ways. You just added that.
Now
You
have
just
to.
added that.
I do this. I legit do this.
Talk to cute boys
I
on
can't-
Bumble and sleep at 1:30.
Kind of ego booster.
I've
Just swiping for the heck
never
of it.
ever done it.
You've never swiped on Bumble or Tinder for the heck of it?
I mean, कोई
Feel good
दोस्तों
about
के उसमें
yourself.
देखा होगा, but नहीं.
I don't swipe left on everyone, but when I swipe right and it's a match, so it gives you such an ego boost के अरे he's also swiped right on you. So पूरा दिन I don't get time ना to like talk to boys or flirt around or like
Correct,
anything. Socialize with anyone.
What do you want me to do? You want me to download Bumble?
Yeah, you have to. Download Bumble, make a very solid account and then swipe.
When I was reading your routine, I was like, okay, it's ending, it's unwinding. Then you're just giving me a heart attack like at midnight. No. But okay, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for the video. It might be fun. I'm sure it'll be fun anyways. So ठीक है. Okay, guys, that was Sara's routine, which I will try my best to follow. It wasn't too bad, but honestly, right now मुझे वो last वाला सोच के मुझे इतना stress हो रहा है.
Let me wish you luck for this day and I'll see you at the end of your day.
See you. Bye.
See ya. Bye.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's currently 7:20. It wasn't very hard getting up, but not staying in bed for the next half an hour was hard because I like that slow start and then I get up. So this was just like I woke up at 7, got out of bed immediately. Now I'm going to make Nala. Wait. Now I'm going to make black coffee. That shouldn't be too bad. Like I don't mind black coffee. I'm so groggy right now because yesterday I slept around 2:30 editing videos for Vlogmas and I had to wake up earlier than I would normally. But once I woke up, honestly, it's not too bad. Like 8:30, 7 o'clock, उतना ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. Also now I need to get ready to go to the gym. I actually don't feel lazy today, probably just because I'm pumped to shoot this video. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. I had my breakfast. Now I'm going to take a shower because that's what Sara does and that's what people do after workout. I mean, Okay guys, I'm done with my shower. Now according to Sarah's schedule, I'm going to go through Instagram, check reels. It's something I also do but not necessarily at this time. So you're just going to jot down ideas. Okay, that was actually a very productive session. So I'm done with that. I'm just wondering how I'm going to sleep now because that's what Sarah does. Like, daytime naps are just the worst thing, at least for me. Firstly, I don't get sleepy during the day. Even if I do get sleepy, I make it a point not to sleep during the day because I get good sleep, okay? Don't get me wrong. If I sleep in the daytime, I would get good sleep. But the moment I wake up, I'll be so disoriented and I'll have the worst headache ever. Not looking forward to this. I'm going to try and sleep for what, 2 hours? Wow. So right now it's 11:05. She sleeps from 11 to 1. Let's sleep. So it's going to be 1 o'clock. I just found it so hard to sleep. I could rest for a while but not really sleep. My head already feels a bit heavy because I don't like taking naps. My body feels rested though, especially since I worked out. So yeah, I have like mixed feelings about this. Okay guys, so I just finished my lunch. I had the yummiest lunch. I had some time, so I just did like some basic makeup because I might have to shoot a bit of something for Instagram later on. Right now, according to Sarah's routine, it's YouTube work, and this is, I think, the most comfortable part of a routine for me because it's the same for me. I work after lunch, so this is just really convenient. I have lot of editing work left for Vlogmas, so I will be doing that right now. I'm actually editing my winter morning routine video, which you would have seen by now. So yeah, now I'm gonna drown myself in some editing work. Okay, so the past 2-3 hours have been really productive. I scheduled 3 videos on YouTube for Vlogmas, so I'm set about that. But I still need to edit 1.5 videos more for today. But yeah, we do have more work time thanks to Sarah. So like we work a lot. It's so funny. Sarah is following my routine, right? This is what Sarah sends me.
Like a truck hit me, and that is because I'm following Meghna's routine today. And the only thing I can tell you right now is I don't know how people survive their day without coffee and very little food. काम ही काम करती है ये लड़की और खाती नहीं है कुछ भी.
I'm so sorry, Sarah. I think I'm way more comfortable with her routine than she is with mine as of now. I'm still dreading the end of the night when I have to use Bumble because not my cup of tea at all. I'll actually at least download Bumble and Keep so that by that time I can actually use Bumble. Currently it's 5:30. I'm going to spend some quality time with my little cat Nala and just chill with her. This plastic flower is literally her favorite toy. Oh, you want to go inside? Oh my god! Sit, sit. Good girl. Sit, 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 sit. Good girl. What a good girl. Okay, guys, that was quite a chill, relaxing time. I do have a lot of work left, and thankfully, in Sarah's schedule, she works right now. So, works really well for me. I'm just having these mini idlis that Mama made. Snacking while I edit the rest of the videos. Honestly, I wish I had like a funner work day today. Like normally that's when I have to shoot. Today, I'm just literally editing the entire day. Nothing interesting to show you all. So currently it's 7:42. I think she finishes this work by 8. Yes. And then it's dinner. Whoa! I just had like idli and chutney because I'm such a snacker, especially in the evening, and I'm not hungry at all. But she says 8 to 9, so you know what? I'm going to have my dinner at 8:30. after my editing work, I took a shower, I did my skincare, and I also did my family prayer. And next from 10:30 to 12, basically midnight, is just more edit work. You can see like I'm still very much stuck on this because of Vlogmas. I have no idea about this app. I'm creating the most basic profile there is. This is like one of the recent selfies I took. I'm just gonna put that. Oh yes, this is how the swipe thing works. Also, I'm rejecting when I go to my left. Okay. And I think when you go right, you accept that person, right? Okay, I'm gonna do my first swipe right. What? What does this mean? Oh, meaning he also swiped right for me, right? This is so awkward. No, I'm so shit scared. I don't want to do anything. Ooh, nice. Why is everything a match? Like whoever I'm swiping right is a match. I have matched with like multiple guys here. They can't really reach out to me unless I reach out to them. So that's very interesting. मैं तो किसी को reply नहीं करने वाली यार, मेरी तो फटती है ये सब चीजों में. I don't know what to say. I think I should at least say hi, hello types just to appease Sarah and succeed in the challenge. Her routine में she's talking to cute boys on Bumble. So yeah, I have cute boys here. I will just say hi and then bye-bye and that's it. Okay, I think I'll just say hello. Video chat? No thank you please. Okay, it's just a wave and I'm already freaking out. I've said hi to 3 guys, okay? Ab pata nahi kab aayega inka reply. Itna now I'm not going to stay up. I want to sleep. Today was actually quite interesting. I thought it's going to be really tough, but it was not. And Bumble though, I was very anxious, honestly speaking. But ठीक है, मैं तो delete कर दूँगी तो कोई tension नहीं. But yeah, other than that, it was actually a good change from my normal routine. I'm very curious to see how Sarah's day went. So let's quickly call her.
Okay, so how was your day, bro? How was your Bumble experience?
Yeah, full jund is happening in Bumble. I don't even know firstly how it works.
Did you get a single match?
I got all matches. Whoever I swiped right, I got them as a match.
Oh.
That does not happen.
Of course not. Not everybody who you swipe right on has swiped right on you. Put a selfie, Meghna.
Actually, there were some interesting profiles. It's actually a good platform. It's not for me. It's giving me so much stress and anxiety, but I get it.
It works, doesn't it? Great then. And overall, how was your day?
It was actually pretty good, yeah. Like it was very similar to mine in the sense work-wise, बहुत similar था. And
did you eat breakfast and you felt good after eating breakfast?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you. I've literally cursed you for not letting me do that.
It was pretty easy for me. Utna problem nahi tha. So thumbs up.
Yay!
Sarah's routine.
Yay!
Okay guys, so that was us swapping routines. Please do watch the video that we did on Sarah's channel. She's following my routine in that, and I'm sure it's pretty funny and fun to watch. I think I really tortured her with my routine. I have a gut feeling. But yeah, do watch the video. I will link it in my description box. And definitely subscribe to Sarah. Her channel is something you have to watch out for. It's freaking amazing. So please do show your love and subscribe to her channel. And yeah, let us know if you want us to collab more in future videos. That'll be fun.
Thank you for watching.
Yes,
bye.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.